everyone, and welcome to Diana's cooking show. For today's show, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make the famous, the delicious Watergate salad. Now there's a few different ways to make this, but I'm going to be teaching you my way. So for this, you're just going to need some pistachio flavored jello, some canned pineapple, and you're going to need the juice, so make sure not to drain it. You're going to need some pistachios and some milk, and you're going to need some either Cool Whip, marshmallows, or whipped cream, whatever you prefer. I like to use Cool Whip, so that's what we're going to be using, but it works best if you use frozen to like thawed out Cool Whip, so mine is currently in the freezer. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take your Jello pack, and the instructions are written right on here, so you can just go ahead and follow the instructions. Throw that in a nice bowl. And I was able to get this at the market today for a mere 70 cents. So that was a deal. Now that you have the Jello mix in the bowl, you're going to go ahead and put 2 cups of milk into the mixture. And right away it turns green. So as you can see, it's going to go ahead and get a little thicker the more you go ahead and whisk it up. And remember, all that's in here is the Jello mix and the milk. And you're just going to go ahead and keep stirring it up for about 5 minutes. Okay. Now that your mix looks like this, it should have like the consistency of a pudding, which mine does. So we're going to go ahead and throw in the pineapple with the juice. Don't go ahead and drain it. And I went ahead and got these because they're already cut up, and obviously we want this to be quick and easy. So I'm going to go ahead and pour that in. Now, you're going to go ahead and with your fresh pistachios, you're just going to go ahead and kind of like as if you're mincing some garlic, you're just going to go ahead and crush them up. And we're eventually going to throw this into our pudding mix along with everything else. The pistachios add a nice crunchy element and gives it a bit of a real flavor, because I feel like sometimes the Jello can be a bit too artificial. This is what our pudding mix should look like now. It's still pretty gooey, pretty liquidy, but you can definitely see the nuts in there along with the pineapple chunks. Okay. Now, our final and I think the most fun step, our Cool Whip. If you're more of a marshmallow person, then you can go ahead and use marshmallows or marshmallow fluff, whatever you like. I'm a Cool Whip kind of gal, so that's what I'm going to go ahead and use. Now, a lot of people have wondered, where does Watergate come from? Where does this name come from? Now, my theory is this is probably what Nixon is using to comfort himself. But you didn't hear it from me. Now, this is what we should be getting. A mix of the green and the white all coming together like America. Okay. Now, there's no real or like right or wrong way to do this. I like to make mine super fluffy. So I'm just going to keep adding as much Cool Whip until I get that fluffy texture that I'm satisfied with. Now, we're basically almost done. Now that you went ahead and mixed it until you're satisfied with consistency, this is how mine looks. It's like relatively fluffy, but it's still nice and gooey. Now, we're just going to go ahead and stick this in our refrigerator or our freezer for, I would say, 5 to 24 hours. The longer you keep it in there, the better it's going to taste. So I'm just going to go ahead and keep it in there for 24 whole hours. Now, our Watergate salad has been in the freezer for about 24 hours, so it's time to take it out and give it a little taste. All right. So this is what you guys should have, a much thicker consistency. And it's delicious. Well, there you go. Now all of you ladies can recreate Watergate salad for any events, holidays, get-togethers, baptisms, after church Sundays, anything. This is a dessert good for every meal. So thank you guys for watching another episode of Diana's Cooking Show, and I'll see you guys next time.